Here's how to remove an email address on Facebook. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'm going to show you exactly how to remove that email address if you no longer use it and you've set up a new one. The first thing we need to do is get to the settings. So on the iPhone and Android, you can see the menu button at the bottom right. Just tap on that. However, if you see 3 lines at the top left, tap on those. Or if you're on a computer, you'll see your profile at the top right. Just tap on that. So after we're in here, all you're going to do is scroll down until you get to settings and privacy. And tap on that. And then tap on settings at the top. And then from here, tap on see more in account center on your device. Next, we're going to tap on profiles and personal details at the top. And you can see I have both my Facebook and Instagram. If you delete an email address, it will be associated with both Facebook and Instagram will be deleted. Scroll down and tap on contact info at the bottom. And then tap on the email address you wanted to delete. And then just choose delete email. It says you'll no longer be able to access this email or to be able to log in. Just tap on delete. And keep in mind, after you've done that, it will ask you for your password just to confirm that you have access to that email address and that you confirm you own the account. And then it will be permanently deleted. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.